Hi friends, today in this video I am going to share you about the notification released by the Directorate of Oilseeds, Hyderabad. It is a contract job. Master's degree in agriculture candidates are eligible to apply for the job. Start date is 5th May 2025. We'll go to the official website and check the details. We'll open Chrome. We'll open Directorate of Oilseeds, Hyderabad. We'll open the website here, oilseeds.dac.gov.in. Then we'll go to end of the page. Here it is given engagement of one technical assistant under National Mission on Edible Oils. It is a contract job. PDF link is provided in the description. You can open the PDF from the description. Here education qualifications are mentioned. Salary is rupees 40,000 plus rupees 2,500 as traveling allowance. Contract period is 1 year, ending on 31 March 2026. They may extend the period of engagement based on the approval of the competent authority. This is the application form. You need to send the application through post with all the required certificates. For more updates on government jobs, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.